Bonjour, I am Jacques Torres and you are with me for Tuesday Tips. So I want to talk about eggs today. When you look at the recipe will call for 5, 6 eggs, 3 eggs. And when I work with eggs, I like to look at weight. And I'm going to show you an example here. This egg, as an example, the weight going to be 41 grams, okay? Now I'm going to put it to 0. This egg is 64 grams. So basically you have 50% more eggs in the second one than the first one. And look at the difference of size. So number of eggs don't always tell you the size of the eggs. So I like when I do a recipe, consider that each egg will be between 50 and 50 grams. So if I have 10 eggs, I will put 550 grams of eggs. So I will weight everything because it does make a difference. I really hope that helped.